Hey guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you what I call my summer tiramisu. I add in some strawberries and it's absolutely divine. I will say that I use raw egg yolks in it. I don't put them over like a double broiler to cook. So if you feel more comfortable, do that. Cook them over the double broiler as you're mixing them. For me, I'm fine, so I don't, but to each his own. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe.